the dead space.
Deathly still. That is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with bluish delight.
Enter the chamber, mortals. Enter the chamber.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
At this time, make your way to the dead center of the room. Step away from the walls.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our truth. And let's all stay together.
in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
The happy homes have received your sympathetic vibrations. They're assembling voices. They're assembling voices. Swinging wings.
Exit your land. So it's the gargoyle.
But it's on your shoulder. You are
You don't
not,
have enough money for that.
and you're not gonna like it on your shoulder. Trust me.
It's like 0.
What?
My backpack's in the month.
What? Tell mommy which one we have to get. Which one do we need to get? Because we have a car. So. Which one? Lady in the dress? So I said, we have cars.
And then we'll know. Do you want to do